Hey there, tech enthusiasts and VR aficionados. Welcome back to Digital Tech Safari, your go-to spot for all things tech. Today we're delving deep into a comprehensive review of the Quest 3 on 28GB, bundled with the Elite Strap, a combination that's stirring up the virtual reality scene. Whether you're a die-hard gamer, a VR connoisseur, or just tech curious, this review is tailored for you. So strap in as we embark on this virtual journey. Let's kick things off with a bit of background. The Quest 3 marks company name's latest venture into the realm of standalone VR headsets, boasting an impressive 128GB of storage and several groundbreaking features. But what sets it apart from its predecessors and the competition? And what's the deal with the Elite Strap? We'll break down everything from specs to design and see if it lives up to its promises. In the heart of the Quest 3 lies its powerful processor, ensuring smooth and responsive experiences across a myriad of VR applications. The headset's display is a marvel, offering crisp, vibrant visuals that bring virtual worlds to life. But it's not just about what's on the inside. The exterior design is sleek yet robust, designed for the rigors of extended use. And then there's the Elite Strap. It's not just a fancy accessory, it's a testament to company name's commitment to comfort and endurance. Adjustable and ergonomically designed, it alleviates pressure and allows for longer, more enjoyable VR sessions. Let's dive deeper into how these features translate into actual user experience. Over the past week, I've been thoroughly testing the Quest 3, immersing myself in everything from fast-paced games to tranquil meditation apps. The headset's intuitive interface and room-scale tracking are standout features, providing a seamless and immersive experience. But it's not just about gaming. The Quest 3 is a versatile device perfect for educational content, fitness apps, and even social experiences in VR. I also experimented with the Elite Strap, comparing sessions with and without it. The difference is night and day. The added support and balance it provides are crucial for immersive experiences, reducing fatigue and enhancing overall comfort. Every rose has its thorn, and the Quest 3 is no exception. Let's dissect the pros and cons, starting with the positives. 1. The display quality is top-notch, providing an immersive and vibrant visual experience. 2. Its standalone nature means no wires, no hassle, and no limits to your virtual exploration. 3. The extensive library of content caters to a wide array of interests and hobbies. However, we must also consider the drawbacks. 1. Battery life is a concern, especially during marathon sessions, which may require a recharge break. 2. For newcomers, the VR world can be overwhelming, and the Quest 3's advanced features might be daunting at first. 3. The cost could be a barrier for those new to VR, making it a significant investment. How does the Quest 3 stack up against its predecessor or the leading competitors? While it boasts significant upgrades in performance and comfort, it's essential to weigh these against its price tag and the needs of your personal or professional VR journey. Insider tip: if you're upgrading from an older model, you'll find the enhancements quite substantial, particularly in display and user experience. In wrapping up, the Quest 3 on 28GB with the Elite Strap offers a compelling package for those seeking a premium VR experience. It's a testament to company name's innovation in the VR space, offering a blend of comfort, quality, and immersion. Whether it's right for you depends on your needs, budget, and how you plan to embrace the virtual world. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you considering the Quest 3? Do you have questions or insights to share? Drop a comment below and let's get a conversation going. And if you found this review helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tech insights and reviews. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.